Hello everyone, your voice here and welcome to the channel Sansevieria 101. So for this episode, we're going to feature a particular mutation coming from the metallica species. So the one that I'm showing you right now is known in the market as metallica beauty queen. And during the pandemic time, people have been seeking out this mutation. As for this particular specimen, I have had this cultivated coming from my own metallica silver Siam clump. So metallica Siam silver is one of metallica's cultivar. It is common here in the Philippines, and this is how they would look like. At first when I spotted it, it looks like as such. I spotted it with this strip of really white edge, and then the leaf pattern is very unique to the colony, so I decided to propagate it, cut it from the colony itself and grow and I grew it separately. And I also remember one of our colleague, one of my friends, Shiv, told me that when it was still this single leaf, he told me that he didn't believe me that it would mutate to beauty queen, but I already posted it that I am having a gut feel that the moment that I have cut it from the colony, it would give me offsets of metallica beauty queen, which it did. So these are considered as metallica beauty queen here from where I am, the Philippines. The offsets have become metallica beauty queen. The difference is that from the usual Siam silver that has more greens and it has whitish variegations or striations on it, it mutates to a full white color. So almost 90% of it or 80% of it is white in color, and the middle part there are traces of green coloration, which still gives it chlorophyll, or the greenish particles on it that are situated in the center part of the leaf are still able to give itself food. So there is still chlorophyll. So chlorophyll is the part of the plant that is greenish. The green color of the plant leaf, they are the ones that are making food for the plant itself. So the white part is actually not giving anything to make the plant grow, but what it does is give people attraction, or it gives people some sort of something to look at, something to actually get attention. So aside from that, the yellow parts are or sorry, the whitish parts, which are almost now becoming most of the leaf portion, or mostly 70% part of the leaf are white. Then the remaining parts on the center part are the ones that are greenish. So the one in the center part is still having chlorophyll. That is why the plant is able to grow on its own. So the only problem with Sansevieria beauty queen is that they grow very slender leaves, and the base part of the leaves are actually not able to support itself. That's why the leaves are drooping. These long leaves will droop if you do not give them, or you don't have a plant pole for them to rest, then they will just droop down. So like this leaf over here, which is very long, and then the base part is actually very thin. It doesn't have the structure to support itself. So um, I think that that is one of the down factors, or the ones that are not likable about this particular mutation of Sansevieria metallica species, which is known as beauty queen, because when they grow longer leaves, the base part becomes very thin and it's not able to support itself, or it's not growing as wide as the usual metallica leaves that I'm showing you right now. It's not as strong as the original metallica Siam silver cultivar that it mutated from. So once again, if you have metallica Siam silver colony, there are sometimes that you will notice something different from them, something growing like the one that I showed you, which are more white than they should be. Then that would be the start of the mutation for this particular species of Sansevieria. And if you're interested to grow them, what you can do is, perhaps if you find them in a colony, in a park, or on your neighbor's garden, then you could perhaps ask permission if you can get or propagate that whitish mutation that is coming from the colony, if you wanted to grow a beauty queen of your own. So aside from getting it from the market or buying it from someone in the market, because during the pandemic time, metallica beauty queen is really very scarce. So beauty queen would sell as much as 2000 php, or that would be around $45, I think, during the pandemic time. But right now, since most Filipinos know that metallica beauty queen can mutate from Siam silver colonies, then they would hunt out colonies of Siam silver, metallica Siam silver, and look for a mutation from that colony, check the colony out, and check if there are mutations that are more white than green, and that would be metallica beauty queen. So there is actually another cultivar which is named Sarah Huffman, and when I reviewed Sarah Hoffman here in the Philippines, is another type of metallica mutation. Perhaps I could do a review after uploading this episode. Then I will do another episode for Sansevieria metallica Sarah Hoffman. But what I was saying is that when I checked back and I checked some sources, I think I was able to contact the husband of Sarah Hoffman. I forgot the name of his husband, but he showed me the mutations of Sarah Hoffman that they have, and they're really looking like the beauty queens that we have here in the Philippines. Although we classify Sarah Hoffman as a different cultivar, they are more green. They're still white. Perhaps I can show you Sarah Hoffman after such, but I guess there is a miscommunication whether what really is Sarah Hoffman, what really is beauty queen, and what is accepted in the trade right now. But this, what I'm showing right now, has become famous as Sansevieria beauty queen and not Sarah Hoffman. And then Sarah Hoffman is another cultivar that went famous as a different type than what I'm showing you. It's become very confusing right now. But if you really backtrack, Sarah Hoffman, in comparison to what I'm showing you, is a more stable cultivar, and perhaps a premium version of what I'm showing you right now, because what I'm showing you right now is a mutation which is having some a lot of downsides to it. The other level would be Sarah Huffman, but if you compare Sarah Huffman to what you see from the people who named it Sarah Huffman, they're just equivalent to beauty queens, but I think that would just make things confusing. So famously in the market now, this is considered beauty queen instead of Sarah Huffman. What I'm saying is that in reality, the mutation back then that was recorded by Sarah Huffman might just probably be a beauty queen, and then what was named as Sarah Huffman is a premium mutation, or a more stable mutation compared to what I'm showing you right now, which is sold in the market. So there are some confusing facts about what I'm showing you right now, but just to make things clear in the market, this is known as Sansevieria metallica beauty queen, and the other one, which is more stable, having more greens on the sides of the leaf, then perhaps I can say an inverted type of what I'm showing you right now is the one that's being called Sarah Huffman. So take note of what I'm showing you right now. The green is in the center part, and the white is on the edges, and the reverted version of it is what is called as Sarah Huffman in the market right now. So in the market in the Philippines, what is called as beauty queen is the one in the center, is having the greenish coloration, and then the sides are really white in color, although there is a very thin green edging on the sides of the leaf. But this is how it would look like. The green part is in the middle part, and then the white ones are on the sides. If you revert that, then you will have Sarah Huffman, and I will perhaps have it featured next on the channel. So folks, I will be showing you pictures of what I have mentioned with regards to this plant when I first spotted it, as still might be a unique Sansevieria metallica Siam silver. And then I have separated it, and like I mentioned, Shiv was trying to tell me, telling me that it would just revert to metallica silver Siam again, but I guess he just wants to go through ABC, and I just wanted to take a shortcut A, skip B, and then just go to C. And actually, I was right that that particular offset that I separated became metallica beauty queen, and Shiv just wanted to get pictures of it, take time into really if the offset would become beauty queen. Well, that's what I'm showing you right now. They are really, the offsets have become metallica beauty queen. So perhaps I will show you pictures of it before we end this content. So if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment below, and if you like the video that I presented, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and you all have a great day.